Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are unboxing Rachel Zoe Box of Style. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is something I look forward to every quarter. It's a quarterly subscription box, and this is her spring box. So first of all, they give you a little pamphlet that shows you everything that's inside, who makes it, how to style it, and what the ingredients are, and just everything you need to know about the products inside. So that's good to know. Then, so the first thing I'm going to open is, how about, okay, Tribe Alive. Tribe Alive is the brand, and it looks like it is, okay, it is a pouch. It's a little, okay, it is a little clutch, actually. So it's got a couple little grommets right here that you close it with, and this would be good for a night out. This would be good for just to throw your purse in, throw your credit card. Anyways, it's really cute, so I like that a lot. I'll be using that this summer. Then next is okay, there is a scarf, a nice little scarf, and in the summer there's so many things you can do with this. Oh my gosh, you could tie your hair up in it. You could use it for a wrap around your bathing suit. So I love these colors. And to me, it looks like it would go good summer and winter. So love this, and it's really soft. And anyways, so little scarf, dual purpose. Then moving along, it looks like there is some jewelry in here. So let's see, that says Michelle Campbell is the brand. And oh yes, so these are little bracelets. These are amazing. I love it. Gold. I love the gold. And by the way, I am wearing this little silver bracelet right here. This is a previous Box of Style bracelet, and it's really cute. So great. Now it'll go together. And also this ring is a previous Rachel Zoe Box of Style. And oh, also the necklace. So she always gives good jewelry, and I always like to show also other things she has. Now, okay, my hero item of the day, I'm going to tell you right now, is these candlesticks. How amazing are these? They're gorgeous. Look how big they are. They're actually amazing. These are Rachel Zoe from Home Goods. So she does home goods and home things too. So, and while I'm at it, also she wrote a book, Living in Style. It's everything from party advice, decorating advice, but of course, fashion advice. Look at this. Okay, this is her jewelry, and remember what she always says, more is more. So I love it, and then I'll just show you this one picture of her. Okay, how amazing is she, right? And I love her hat. Okay, I have this hat. I was gonna wear it, but I forgot. But the bolero hat, look at my other videos. Bolero hat is amazing. So get yourself a bolero hat. Okay, moving on with the box. So next we have, it says here, Skin Gem, Rose Quartz sculpting tool. Okay, oh, okay, you know what this is like? Okay, this is like the jade roller. So you know how you have jade roller? Well, it's kind of the same thing. Ooh, it's pink. Look how pretty that is. But you take it, and it says here, you just rub it on your skin like that, and pressing up. You always press up with the jade roller, unless it's on the neck, and then you press down. It just like revitalizes your skin and plumps it up. And anyways, it's the latest, hottest trend. So very pretty. Then the last thing is this. What is it? Oh, Edible Beauty Australia. Okay, that's the brand. It's a Gold Rush Eye Balm. Okay, let's look at this. So eye balm, I could never have enough eye balms. Okay, and actually, literally, there is gold inside there. Okay, that's why they call it gold. So I'll just take a little just to see how it feels. Oh yeah, it's cool, creamy, feels good. We always need little eye cream, especially right now. Okay, it is so dry. I live in the desert. It is so dry right now. And I want to show you one last item from a previous box. Okay, this Luna Sunday Riley Luna oil. I have been putting this on at night, sometimes even in the day. It moisturizes your skin so much. It's like the best thing right now when it's dry weather. So Luna, Sunday Riley, this previous Box of Style. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.